Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we have to tell that moment of inertia of a copper sphere depends which of the following parameter. As we know that when temperature of the increases, then the radius of copper sphere also increases because of thermal expansion. So we can say that option A is correct, and we can say that now the moment of inertia only depends on mass and distribution of mass from axis of rotation, as it doesn't depend on the condition of motion. When the axis of rotation changes, the moment of inertia also changes. So we can say that option C is also correct. So option C is also correct. So for that question we can say that option A and C both are correct. So for that question we have given option, this is given in option D, so option D is the correct choice. Thank you.